brand new bags from Air. Let's go.
It's almost spring. Rejuvenation, rebirth, everything's blooming, all that crap. So what better time than now for Air to announce a brand new refresh of their City Collection. And if you don't know Air, they are a San Francisco-based travel brand and one that we cover a lot here on this channel because their bags are super high quality and they're super stylish. Affiliate links in the description if you want to snag something from Air and support this channel. The City Collection is Air's line of modern everyday bags designed for exploring the city. The collection features premium fabrics and trims, smart organization, and details that improve everyday comfort and utility. So I'm really excited about the new City Collection too. So instead of just one video, we're actually going to break this up into 5 separate videos this week to better cover each new product in detail. And before we jump into the collection-wide updates, here's the schedule for this week's videos. There are 4 new products for the City Collection 2, including the City Pack Pro 2, which we are going to pack up for a budget airline weekend trip, and then weigh to make sure it comes in under 7 kilograms in Tuesday's video. In Wednesday's video, we're going to look at the City Pack 2, and we're going to pack that up for a typical day at the office. On Thursday, we're going to look at the City Sling 3, and we're going to pack that up as a flight sling. And then lastly, on Friday, we're going to take a look at the Slim Pouch 2, and we're going to fill it up with all of my daily tech items. So now I want to take a look at some of the collection-wide updates. In the videos later this week, we'll look at the product-specific updates, but right now, we're all about the collection as a whole. And the first thing we have is sleeker silhouettes, and this is one I'm really excited about because even though it's pretty subtle, the slight rounding of the shape looks fantastic, especially with the new backpacks. Next is cleaner, redesigned interiors. We'll look at these a lot more during the product-specific videos this week, but the interiors now feature a lot of this new stretch nylon material, which I think is a really nice upgrade. Next is going to be new ripstop nylon liner, which I think looks really good. To be honest though, I can't say I prefer this over the previous soft woven lining, but they are both durable and have a premium look to them. Next is going to be the Hypalon zipper pools, and previously Air used plastic caps for their pools, which also looked nice, but these new Hypalon pools will give you a little more grip while opening the zippers, and Air is actually already using these in their Go collection. Lastly, the City Collection 2 will be available in black, navy, and olive in the 1680D Cordura material, as well as an X-Pack and an Ultra version. The X-Pack and Ultra versions will cost you a little bit more due to the materials used on those. So, overall, I really think Air has done a great job listening to customer feedback when creating this refreshed City Collection 2. If you love the previous iterations, there is no doubt in my mind that you're going to love these new versions just as much, if not more. So be sure to like, subscribe, and join me for the other 4 videos this week as we dive deeper into each new product in this line. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable today.